50. 50.569. Yeah.
Good morning, welcome back to McLovin Garage. This morning, I am headed down to Eugene, and I'm gonna go do some autocross racing in the 99 Mustang Cobra. It's pouring rain here in Oregon. Check this out. Yeah, super wet, super miserable. It's okay, buddy. The dog wants out this morning. Super wet, super miserable this morning, and we're gonna go try and see if we can run some decent times at the autocross. We're going down to Eugene. It's the Emerald Empire Motorsports Club, and we're racing at a spot called the Valley River Center. It's a big mall down there, but they've got a huge parking lot. This will be my first actual race as a novice. I went to that novice school. If you haven't watched that video, go back in my through my channel, and it's gonna be a few videos back from this one, and check that one out. That was a great day up in Salem. But this will be my first race as a novice in the Mustang, and 4 points and 4 time with other people. So it's gonna be a great day, I hope. It's gonna be wet, obviously, but should be a fun time. If you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you enjoy what you see, stick around. I'd appreciate you being here. Thank you to everybody who is subscribed. Always appreciate you being here, leaving comments, likes, and watching my videos. So let's get on the road, and I'll see you when we get down there.
Well, it's a beautiful Oregon morning with all the liquid sunshine. Pretty sure today is going to test the limits of my talent, the ability of my street tires, and just what this Mustang can do in wet Oregon weather. Definitely looking forward to it. I'm on I-5 headed to Eugene, which is about an hour drive from my house, and we're just cruising down the highway. Man, there's a lot of water today. It rained all day yesterday too, so I'm sure the parking lot's going to be soaked. It'll be interesting to see how many puddles are out there. But yeah, should be a good time. I brought rain pants. I got a waterproof jacket, so when I'm standing out on course fixing cones, I hopefully won't be too wet. Brought some extra shoes, brought some extra socks. It's going to be one of those days.
All right, so I made it here to Eugene. It is pouring down rain. As you can see, I'm soaked. It's been super wet already. It's supposed to rain just all day. This is my first ever autocross, other than the novice school, and I'm a novice today because it's my first one. So they've got me this, I'll run in the second half of the day, or the second half of the morning. And this morning, before I run, they're going to have me ride along with other drivers to get the feel of the course, to get some pointers. Looking forward to that. So I'm gonna try to ride with a few people this morning. I won't be able to film those just because they won't let you film as a passenger. It has to be hard mounted to the car, and I'm not mounting my camera to somebody else's car. But my car passed tech, my helmet passed tech. I got to walk the course 3 or 4 times. It looks like it's gonna be fast. It'd be much faster if it wasn't raining. But it looks like a nice fast course, and I'm looking forward to riding with some other folks and seeing how they run the course before I get into it. So I'll have some video here soon of the course. We did like I said, did our course walk, cars teched, helmets teched. I get to ride with some folks, and this is my first ever novice autocross in Eugene with the Emerald Empire Motorsports Club. I really appreciate the advice I've gotten so far. They've been super helpful getting me through tech and getting everything kind of ready, and I'm looking forward to running. So gonna go ride with some people. I'll let you know how that goes, and we'll get some video of me running in my car. So let's go get wet some more. All right, I'm in line. We are it's now my turn to run. I got to ride with 2 guys in Mustangs.
Station 1's radio.
And I got to ride with 2 guys with Mustangs. Both are in F Street, which is what I'm racing in. So I got times to try and beat. So we'll see if I can do that. There's some neat cars here. It's still super slippery and wet. We'll see how it goes, but I'll get some film for you, get some footage of the runs, and talk to you afterwards. Morning. How are you?
You ready?
I think so.
All right.
First run of my autocross career right here.
Well, perfect conditions.
Yeah, right.
Just remember, slow is fast, fast is slow.
You're not wrong. I'll take it. 53,502. I'll take it. Man, it is wet, but man, that's fun. 53. I'll take that. That's a number I'm happy with.
Good job that first one.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's surprisingly slippery.
No, it's not surprising. It is really
Yeah. It's.
Just keep it smooth and you got it, bud.
I'm gonna keep trying to do that. .072, nice. 52.072. I'll take that. Lost time there. 51. Yeah. 51.039. That is awesome. And I still think I got more. Yeah, buddy. Third run was even better than the second. I still feel like I'm not quite at the limit of traction, so we're gonna give it a little more and see what we get. I've been very pleased with this car. It's super cool. It runs really well. Just got some compliments from some of the guys here. Really appreciate that. It's just nice to get some positive reinforcement about the driving. So hopefully we can go out and not be foolish. That's not my goal. I want to run a good run here and see if I can't cut a little bit more time off.
he got. Control was on. Didn't want to let me do what I wanted to do. There we go. I fixed it. That's what ABS. Oh, cut it a little tight or a little loose there. Shoot. 51.2. 51.289. So a little slower, but my traction control was on and I was pushed into that last turn. So I think I know what I did wrong. Man, this is fun. What a blast. Hard there. $50. 50.569. Yeah.
All right, I'm home from Autocross, and this is a couple days later. We got results from the racing, and I just wanted to tell you where I placed. I placed first in novice, and I also would have placed first in my class, which was F Street, which had 2 other Mustangs and a Camaro, which was a V6 Camaro. Both of the Mustangs were newer than mine. One was a Roush and one was a GT with a Coyote engine. I ran 53.52, I ran 52.072, 51.039, 51.289. I forgot to turn off the traction control. And 50.569 was my winning lap. The closest in F Street was 50.748, and that was it's a 19, I believe. I think it's a 19 Mustang GT. So I ran 50.569 with no penalties, and he ran a 50.748 with no penalties. So I won the novice class, and I won F Street on that super rainy, nasty day. Look at it now. It's beautiful in Oregon. It's like 75 today. And then last weekend on Saturday, it was miserable. So anyway, just wanted to follow up. Had a great day. Really appreciate all the help that I got from the folks that were helping teach the novices. Couldn't have been a better day for me. Got to ride along with a couple people. Got to race. We did 5. I got to run 5 runs, which was awesome. In the pouring rain. Can't wait to go back. I think the next one is in June. So hope you enjoyed it. If you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate you being here. Thank you to those who are subscribed. It means a lot to me. And I'm hoping that we can continue making some cool content and that you'll stick around. Thanks for being here. Catch you next time.